Welcome. This is the week 7 homework solution. This is going to be covering Monday, September 16th, the solutions. All these questions ask us to solve the equation and determine if it has one, infinite, or no solutions. Number 1, we have this equation given. Our first step is always to rewrite the equation and draw the line straight down. We have to get rid of the parentheses on the left-hand side, so we distribute. So it's going to be 2 times x and 2 times 4. The 2 is distributed to both terms inside the parentheses. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. The right-hand side, nothing happens to the 12. Here, our goal is trying to get the variable by itself, so we're going to subtract 8 to both sides. In that process, the 8 on the left-hand side should cancel out. 8 minus 8 becomes 0, leaving only 2x left on the left-hand side. The right-hand side, 12 minus 8 becomes 4. Divide 2 to both sides. The 2 over 2 on the left cancels out. It becomes the number 1, leaving us with only an x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, 4 divided by 2 becomes 2. So we would say this one has one solution. There's one solution because x is equal to 2. 2. Rewrite the equation and draw the line straight down. The left-hand side, 2 parentheses x plus 4, was the same one as the last problem. So distribute. That's what it looks like after you distribute. You see a 2x on the left. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. 2x minus 2x on the left cancels out. 2x minus 2x on the right cancels out. You have an 8 on the left-hand side. On my right-hand side, you got a 0. 8 is never equal to 0. Therefore, we will say there is no solution. 3. The left-hand side is the same as before. Rewrite your equation and draw a line straight down. Get rid of the parentheses by doing the distributive property. So it's 2 times x and 2 times 4. 2x plus 8 is what it simplifies to after the distributive property. On my right-hand side, you have 2x plus 4. Subtract 2x to both sides. The 2x on the left-hand side cancels out. The 2x minus 2x on the right also cancels out. 8 is left on the left-hand side, and a 4 is left on the right-hand side. 8 is never equal to 4, so we would say there is no solution. Number 4. Rewrite the equation and draw the line straight down. You have a negative 2 times 4x and a negative 2 times 1. That is the distributive property. We do that to get rid of the parentheses. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. The right-hand side is 14. Nothing happened to it. Add 2 to both sides. You get the negative 2 plus 2 on the left-hand side cancels out. 14 plus 2 equals to 16 on the right-hand side. We have a negative 8 in front of the x, which is by multiplication. So we're going to divide. And in that process, negative 8 divided by negative 8 cancels out, getting you an x on the left-hand side. On my right-hand side, 16 divided by negative 8 just becomes negative 2. X equals to negative 2, therefore we say it is one solution because there's an x and that equals to negative 2. One solution. 5. Rewrite the equation, draw the line straight down. The left-hand side, like before, distribute. This is what you get. Negative 8x minus 2 equals to the right-hand side, which is negative 8x minus 2. Make sure you simplify. I notice my left-hand side equals to my right-hand side, therefore we say this is infinite solution. The definition of infinite solution is when your left-hand side does equal to your right-hand side. Number 6. 3x plus 15 equals to 3 parentheses x plus 5. Rewrite the equation and draw a line straight down. On my left-hand side, you have 3x plus 15. On my right-hand side, you are going to do the distributive property. So 3 is going to be distributed to the x, and 3 is going to be distributed to the 5. You will multiply. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15. The left-hand side, 3x plus 15. My right-hand side, 3x plus 15. The left-hand side equals to the right-hand side. Therefore, this one has infinitely number of solutions. There you go. Those are all your homework solutions for Monday, September 16th.